friends, I hope you all are fine. This is our English book. Today we will learn the spelling of cap, map and tape with their objects. The first object is cap. This is cap. Spelling of cap is C-A-P, cap. C-A-P, cap. This is map. Map. Spelling of map is M-A-P, map. M-A-P, map. Third object is tape. This is tape. Spelling of tape is T-A-P, tape. Let's start writing of cap. There are 4 lines. First we will write capital C, then small a, then small p. C-A-P, cap. C-A-P, cap.
Again writing spelling of cap. Now look, writing capital C. It is in 4 lines, so it is wrong.
It is also out of line. This is also wrong. Look, it is not small p, it is capital P. It is wrong. This is right. C-A-P, cap. C-A-P, cap. Now writing spelling of map. There are 4 lines. First we will write capital M, capital M. After that small a, then small p. M-A-P, map. M-A-P, map. Now again writing spelling of map. Look, it is out of line. This is wrong. Look, it is also out of line. This is also wrong. Look, it is also out of line. This is completely wrong. This is right. M-A-P, map. M-A-P, map. Writing of tape. There are 4 lines. First we will write capital T, then small a, then small p. T-A-P, tape. T-A-P, tape. Again writing spelling of tape. Capital T.
It is in 4 lines, so it is wrong.
Small a. No, it is also out of line. This is also wrong. Now writing small p, but it is capital P. This is wrong. This is right. T-A-P, tape. This is your assignment. After completing the assignment, you will submit in school. Allah Hafiz.